I'm William with Man and Dolly, and we can move you to, from, or around the Austin area. We're here to teach you how to have a smooth move, whether you use us or not. As we continue this journey together, we want this to be a conversation. So would you rather have me wear a polo like this or our work uniform like this? Comment below which one you like best, and we'll start this conversation together. I'm going to tell you the two problems with the moving industry and how Man and Dolly is going to help solve them. 1. Not enough people know the tips and the tricks needed to have a smooth move. Your average person who is high functioning throughout the year could be in total disarray during a move, and even forget some small, seemingly insignificant things like choosing between boxes or totes, or protecting the mattress whenever you're putting it in storage, or just making sure you have all the proper materials to have that successful move. Number 2, not enough people know what to expect when their moving company shows up. Should they have tape? Should they have tools, blankets, shrink wrap, etc.? And that's where Man and Dolly comes in. We're going to define a standard, and we're going to exceed that standard by creating a great moving experience and earning your trust. So please take a second and subscribe. And thanks for joining us on this journey.